everyone, and as always, welcome back to the Polyglot grind once again. In this video, I'm going to talk about the illusion of regression. What I mean by that is, one can be under the impression that one is getting worse in a language, when in actual fact, you're just becoming more aware of how the language functions, and you're actually improving. But the fact that you're becoming more aware makes you feel like you're worse, because you're becoming more aware of your mistakes and how the language actually should sound and what it should actually look like. So you feel like you're getting worse. You feel like you're regressing, but in actual fact you're advancing. And I'm going to play a video. It's about 4 years old. It's about a minute and a half, so please bear with me. Of me trying to speak, I think it was French, German, and Spanish. I was too shy to show my face in this video, so it's just like a video of the chair. But here we go.
Alors, ça c'est mon chaise. Euh, je filme mon chaise parce que je ne savais pas sur qui je devrais faire une vidéo. Alors, j'ai fait une vidéo de mon chaise. Euh, Moi, j'apprends français. Euh, j'ai commencé français dans la première année parce que j'étais dans l'immersion français. Alors, oui, je parle français. Ich kann auch Deutsch sprechen. Äh, Ich habe Deutsch gelernt, weil es sich cool anhörte. Und wenn ich jünger war, ich spielte viele Call of Duty und ich wollte verstehen, was die Leute sagen. Also ich habe Deutsch gelernt und ja, ich kann auch Englisch sprechen, natürlich, weil es meine Muttersprache ist. Und hablo un poquito de español, pero mi español no es muy bueno porque no lo uso mucho, pero yo quiero usarlo más y yo creo si lo usaba, no sé, mi español es muy malo, pero yo quiero mejorar mi español y sí, adiós.
Alright, if you're still here after watching that really painful video of me trying to speak German, French, and Spanish 4 years ago, first, pat yourself on the back, you've made it through. And secondly, I just wanted to like say my personal experience. So, I remember a couple months ago, I'd struggle in German a bit, and I always think to myself, like, I really wish I could speak German like I could a couple years ago. And I was always under the impression that like my German had gotten worse and that I could never get it up to its old level. And then same with French. I always thought like I'd plateaued in French and that like I wasn't improving. In Spanish, I've noticed my improvements, but like in German and French, I was under the impression that I plateaued. And then 2 days ago, I watched that video and it absolutely blew my mind because like I didn't know like I was that bad. Like I'm not saying I speak perfectly now, but like I didn't know I was that bad. And then so like now I feel a lot better about my French because like I've realized that like me like regressing in French or not improving has been an illusion this whole time, because like when I compare that video to my newer videos, I can see the improvement. And then the same with German. Like when I look back at that German video, I noticed that like I've actually improved in German since then, and me being able to speak German better back then was just all in my head, and like me not improving was all an illusion. So I'm sure other people can relate to this too, the illusion of regression. I guess something this could be compared to is like you go into like your old closet and you find your old books from like grade 3 or grade 2 or something, and then you look at how you used to write and how you used to do your work and how you used to structure everything, and you see how bad it was, and then you look at like something that you've recently written, and then you see how much improvement there is. But like as you're going through through the process of like going from grade 2 to adulthood, you don't really notice the gradual improvement in your capabilities and stuff. But like when you look back at something that was like done like 8 years ago, then you can see the difference, and then you become aware of the fact that you've actually improved and that there was in fact improvement. You could also compare this to like someone who's like losing weight, I guess. Like if they don't take before and after pictures, like yes, they'll notice their clothing getting bigger and stuff, but like if you don't take a before and after picture, you won't be able to see the extent of how much you won't be able to see the extent of how much progress you've made. So that's pretty much it, just like a short video. So like anybody who's watching this and feeling like they're not improving in a language or whatever endeavor they're taking on, just like make a progress video or take a before and after picture, or just record your current progress, and then wait a bit, keep learning, keep exercising, keep doing whatever you're doing, and then compare it, and then compare like the new you to the older you, and then you'll see that there was in fact progress, and you not advancing was most likely just an illusion, and it was most likely just all in your head. So thank you for watching this video, and more videos to come soon.